Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So if your device blacks out a little bit too much, too fast for your liking, you can quickly change it. Just open the settings. Here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then scroll down until you'll find the sleep option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes. Just tap on it. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.